Okay, this is how to make a game pass. You go to create. He- Then you should see this when you click on. Then you pick one of your creations, one of your experiences that you made. I'm going with the one that you were default given that I changed to World Free Roam. After that, over here on the side, by the details, you go down to associated items, which is under created places. Then you go to passes or developer products. I'm going to do it with a pass. As you see, I have 3. So then you click create a pass. You can set the name or you can change the photo from your JPEGs. I will go with one of these, which I'm going to stick with one of my avatars that I made. Here they can set the name. I'm just going to set it on there. Then you don't have to have a description, but after you do all that, you hit create pass, which will then send you back to this. You see that the one that I just made is off sale. You click that, go to sales, you flip it on to sales, then you can set a price. I'm going to stick with one that I don't have, and I'm going to do 6 Robux, which as you can see will give me 4, 2 will get you 1, and 1 will get you 1. After that, you hit save changes, and there you go. You have just created Game Pass.